It's a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The purposefully planned, kid-friendly Pacifica thought of everything, so you don't have to. It comes with great features you love. Power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, and V6 engine. Car and Driver notes, amazingly, through the blizzard of new tech and safety equipment the Pacifica brings, the most impressive item is still Chrysler's super clever stow-and-go second row seats that drop into the floor to expand cargo capacity. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.